I marked it wrong, but I realized before I cut it that it was wrong. So measure twice, you know the rest. Scott Brown here. So today I'm starting my day looking at a potential future renovation out in East Auckland. It's building a garage and changing what is currently a garage into a family room, and moving the kitchen. So maybe that's an alteration. Alright, back from the meeting. The reason we have these site meetings is I could spend 2 weeks looking at these plans and still feel like there's a lot of grey areas. So I'm not going to show you this one just yet because it's just the initial stages. We have to talk about a bunch of things and get some estimates together, but it's interesting what you can get from the plans, but these plans in particular aren't as detailed as I would have liked. So going there this morning really helped. Foam here from Para Rubber, which is a place here in New Zealand. Sell a lot of foam, carpet, things like that. All of this and a bit of rubber that's in the van there cost me around about 30 bucks. I'm going to use it to make this box a little bit more hospitable for this router. Alright, so first of all, I have this piece here, which is 25mm thick and big enough to fit into this container with a few minor adjustments. I got a little bit excited because I'm running late for a meeting and I marked it wrong, but I realized before I cut it, measure twice. Patience is the key with this stuff. Nice cushy platform for the router to sit on. Now that we have this, we can trace it onto the thicker one. Because this one's a bit thicker, I have to use the jigsaw. I have this one here. It's a little bit rugged. Let's see how it goes. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, oh it's tight. Now that that fits in there snugly, I can put my router where I want it. Where do I want it? I kind of want it there. I'm going to put the router to one side so I can put router bits.
One eternity later.
And now the moment of truth. So yeah, now it's safely in there. Nice and snug. Alright, meeting time. Probably not the most exciting video today. I'm off to meeting number 2. These are just the kind of days you have when you start out. I mean, there's only 2 of us and Pato isn't in town at the moment, so it's kind of a perfect time to be doing things like this, driving around, lining up jobs. And that's pretty much what today is. So meeting number 2 of 3. See you soon.